Dear viewers, welcome to the video workshop of classical 7-layer oil painting technique. This video course will teach you how to create a simple still life using the layered technique of the old masters. Looking at the magnificent works of the old masters, have you ever wondered how they did it? How is it possible to paint something like that? After all, today's times provide us with much better, more readily available materials and aids than they had available. What was their secret? The answer to these questions lies in the same way as in the previous layers. The only difference is that we already use slightly larger brushes, because we work on larger areas. Let the underpainting dry again for at least 10 days before you start the next layer. Determined in the previous umber layer are repeated. By this we mean that if the tone of the umber at a particular place in the tonal scale, for example from 1 to 20, has a value of 6, it is necessary that the subsequent grisaille layer has approximately the same value as value of color below it. Gray underpainting is used as a preparatory stage for the subsequent application of color layer. Specific color. Drops on any surface are manifested only by the optical deformation of the surface on which they are found and by the play of lights, reflections and shadows. To paint the water drops, use the hue that is closest to the actual shadow of the object on which the drops are located. Each drop is composed of a cast shadow and body shadow on the opposite side. So the first step is, after signing, the painting is finally completed.